Posture is more than just sitting up straight. It's about supporting your body for optimal health. Today, let's delve into the art of maintaining good posture. From sitting at your desk to standing in line, how you hold yourself matters. Let's find out some tips for keeping your posture in check now. 1. Awareness. The first step to improving your posture is to be mindful of it throughout the day. Regularly check in with yourself to ensure you're sitting or standing up straight. 2. Sit properly. When sitting, keep your feet flat on the floor or on a footrest, with your knees at or slightly below hip level. Your back should be straight, your shoulders back, and buttocks should touch the back of your chair. 3. Use support. Use ergonomic chairs or cushions to support your lower back. This helps maintain the natural curve of your spine and reduces strain. 4. Adjust your workspace. Make sure your computer screen is at eye level and your keyboard and mouse are within easy reach. Avoid slouching or leaning forward while working. 5. Take breaks. Stand up, stretch, and walk around regularly, especially if you have a desk job. Set reminders to take breaks and change positions throughout the day. 6. Strengthen core muscles. Strengthening your core muscles, abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles can help support your spine and improve posture. Incorporate exercises like planks, bridges, and abdominal crunches into your routine. 7. Stretch regularly. Incorporate stretching exercises into your daily routine to improve flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. Focus on stretching your chest, shoulders, hips, and hamstrings. 8. Practice good body mechanics. When lifting heavy objects, bend your knees and hips instead of bending at the waist. Keep the object close to your body and use your leg muscles to lift. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put strain on your spine and contribute to poor posture. Maintain a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise. 10. Consider posture aids. If you have trouble maintaining good posture, consider using posture aids such as braces or posture-correcting devices. Follow us now for tips on growing taller naturally and unlocking your height potential.